Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share home remedies to relieve in cough. Coughing is one of the most common health problems in children and adults. When there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper air passages, your brain thinks a foreign element is present and tells your body to cough to remove that element. Coughing can also be due to a viral infection, common cold, flu, and smoking or health problems such as asthma, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Here I share 3 more effective home remedies for relief in cough. First, turmeric. The herb turmeric has a therapeutic effect on coughs, particularly a dry cough. Heat half a cup of water in a boiling pot. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon black pepper. You may also add cinnamon sticks. Boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this daily until the condition improves. Second, ginger. Ginger is one of the most popular natural cures for a cough. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring to a boil. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times a day for relief from sore throat, non-stop coughing and even congestion. You can also some lemon juice and honey to it. Third, lemon. Lemons can be used in a variety of ways for curing coughs. Lemons have properties that reduce inflammation and also provide a dose of infection-fighting vitamin C. A simple cough syrup can be made by combining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Another way to use lemons is to blend lemon juice with a little honey and a pinch of cayenne pepper and then drink it. If you like my video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell